Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about iOS 18.4.1 battery life. The purpose of this video is to show that is battery life fixed or not, and how you can also improve the battery life on your iPhone. So without any further delay, let's get dive into this video. Now, this video is divided into two different sections. In the first section, I will share how the battery life is going on for me on this device. I will be sharing battery stats. In the second section, I will be talking about how you can also achieve good battery life. So without any further delay, let's get dive into this video. So I will go to the settings into the battery over here, that the battery stats load. Now over here, as you can see, a pretty much straight line over here, and this was like at the during the night time. Over here I started using my phone, as you can see. Now over here there is a couple of percent drops, as you can see. Now couple of percent drop is quite normal, but other than that you can see a straight line, which means battery draining is not happening on the iOS 18.4.1, which is a really good sign of the update. Now let's see how the battery is performing on this device. So as you can see, I used my phone here a lot and then I used here a lot. Now on this day, I used almost 70% of my device according to this graph, and I got 4 hours and 14 minutes screen on time. This is iPhone 10s, 85% battery health, and against that, this is a really good screen on time for this much old device. I use YouTube, TikTok, and some other applications. I also ran multiple Geekbench tests. Now over here, I use slightly more than 50%. You can consider it 60%. And this time I got 5 hours and 22 minutes screen on time. I watch YouTube videos for almost 2 hours, Instagram for almost 3 hours, and some other applications, as you can see. And this is a beast screen on time. This is amazing screen on time easily. So yes, screen on time and battery draining is pretty much fixed on the iOS 18.4.1. If you are still facing any sort of issues, I'm gonna share settings that I did on this phone and I'm able to achieve this much good battery life. Let's begin. Now talking about the settings, what you can do to achieve this much good screen on time is quite simple, quite easy. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the settings, and from the settings you need to go to the privacy and security over here. You need to go to the tracking. Now turn it off right from here. Go back from here, go all the way down into Apple advertising, turn it off, go back, go over here and go into motion and fitness, turn it off too. Now if you really care about that how much steps you are walking and you are using your phone as a fitness tracker, keep this on. But if you care more about the battery life, turn it off, because fitness tracker is going on like 24/7 and it is consuming a lot of battery life. So turn this off too. Now go back from here, go all the way over here, go to the journaling suggestions, turn it off from here. You can turn these off too. You go back from here and go to the analytics and improvement over here. Turn it off, and also turn every other option off from here too. You will be able to enhance the battery life of your device a lot. Now go from here, go to the top of privacy and security and get into the location services. Now from here, go all the way down to the system services. You can turn this off, this off, this off, and also this off if you don't use home app at all. Go all the way down. Under product improvement, there are 4 different options available. You can turn them off too. They are not doing anything for you, and they are consuming a lot of battery life. So just turn them off too. Now go back from here, not into this, sorry for that. Go back from here, and over here customize your location setting for every other app. For any app, if you are using always option, never use this option. Use while using the app or never. These are the best options available. As you can see, most of the apps are while using or they are on never, as you can see. So this can also help a lot to save the battery life. Now once you do this, go back from here again. I am sorry. Go back from here. Go into the journal, get into the background app refresh, And if there is any app that you don't care if it is getting refresh in the background or not, you can turn it off. Like you can turn off the news apps or some other application, but apps like WhatsApp messages should be turned on because they are critical messaging apps. You can also do this. Once you do this, go back from here, get into the notification. Now if you see, my notifications are off, 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 off. Most of the notifications are off. So you can turn the notifications off that are not that important. But if there is any important thing like WhatsApp business over here, you can turn that on. Whenever notification comes over your device, it uses different resources in the background, and that consumes a lot of battery life. But this way you can also enhance the battery life. Also, if I show you, I don't like close my apps at all. As you can see, all apps are running in the background, and there's a myth that you need to close these apps, it will consume battery life. Well, that is not true. If they are running in the background, they are not taking any sort of battery. For example, if I close the app and when I reopen the camera app, it will again take all the resources to reopen, and that will consume more battery life. So just let the apps remain open in the background. No worries about that. So these are some of the ways that can allow you to get a this much good battery life on the iOS 18.4.1 and any other version. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.